In this video, I'm going to install VMware Workstation in my Windows 11 computer. So this is the site. I need to download the software, and I will leave a link to download the software under the video description. I'm going to click on download now. So it's about 584 megabytes. So I'm going to click on open. I'm going to click next. I accept. Click next. Click next. Click next. I'm going to uncheck this one. Join the VMware customer experience. Click next. Click next. Click install. And it's installing. I'll click finish. So this is the icon on the desktop. Now there are two options. So this is the free version for non-commercial use that I am using. And if you have a license key, you can choose this option. So I'm using the free version. I'll click continue. Click finish. So I'm going to create a new virtual machine. I am going to choose the last option. I will install the operating system later. Click next. It will be Microsoft Windows, and it's going to be Windows 10 and later. Click next. Now I can name the virtual machine. So I'm just going to name it VM11. So under location, you can leave the default, or you can choose another location. I'm going to choose another location. So I have a lot of space, and I have multiple hard drives in my computer. And this is my G drive here. I created a folder called VMware. I'm going to select that, click OK, click next. So the default is 60 gigs, the maximum disk size. I'm going to type 100. I want to make it 100 gigabytes. I'm going to click on next, click on finish. Now I'm going to click on edit virtual machine settings. Now the default memory size is 2 gigs. I'm going to change that to 8. So the processor, you can change that also if you would like. I'm going to select 4. I want to select CD, DVD, SATA, and I want to point it to my ISO file. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to browse. So this is my ISO. It is Windows 11. I'll select it, click open, click OK. Now I'm going to select play virtual machine, click OK. I'm going to click on next, install now. So I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro for workstations, click next. So I get this error message. It says this PC can't run Windows 11. It does not meet the minimum system requirement. So what that means is that TPM has to be configured in the VMware. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to power it off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to browse for the folder where I installed the VMware. So this is the folder that I installed the VMware, and I have to look for a file with the extension VMX. So this is the file here. I name my VMware VM11. Now, if you don't see the extensions, you need to go to View, click on the drop down here, highlight Show, and navigate, and you want to check File Name Extensions and Hidden Items. So I'm going to right click this. I'm going to open with Notepad. Click OK. So this is the file. So what I have to do, I have to insert this line in this file. So I'm going to right click and copy. So I will leave a copy of this in the video description. So I'm going to insert it here in the last line, paste it, click on File, Save. I'm going to close it. Now I'm going to open back VMware. So I'm going to click on Edit Virtual Machine, and as you can see, it's here, the Trusted Platform Module, the TPM. So I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click Play Virtual Machine. So it's installing. I'll click Next, Install Now. I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro for workstations. Click Next. I'm going to click Accept. Click Next. Click on Custom. This is 100 gigs. Click Next, and Windows 11 is installing. So if you get that error message, that is what you have to do to configure the TPM in the VMware. So I'll select United States. I'll click on Yes. Click on Yes. I'm going to select Skip. It's checking for updates. So let's name your device. I'm just going to type a name. Click Next. So there are two options here. You can set up for personal use or set up for worker school. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to select sign-in options, domain join instead. I'm going to type a name, click Next. No password right now. I'm going to select Next. I'm going to turn this off. Click Accept. So it's getting ready. So now that Windows is installed, you need to install the VMware tools. So on the top left side, click on the drop down under Player, on Manage, click on Install VMware Tools. And this will install the VMware tools. So if your VMware is very slow, or your installation in VMware is slow, for example, you're installing Windows and you find it's slow to install on your Windows computer, you need to go to Device Security. So this is it, Device Security. Click on it. You want to click on Core Installation Details. And if this is on, you need to turn it off. You will see a performance difference in your VMware. So I have it turned off. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.